Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about the histology of stomach from BSc third year class. Paper number 2nd, mammalian histology. Stomach, it is muscular sac-like structure. Stomach is greatly dilated portion of the alimentary canal and extends from the esophagus to the duodenum. This stomach mainly functions as temporary storage of food material as well as semi-digestion of food material takes place in the stomach. When stomach is empty, this shows tubular in structure. Stomach divided into three regions. First region, it is called a cardiac region, and this region present near the esophagus. Second region is called as fundic region. This fundic region is upper dome shaped and middle part is called as body. This fundus and body region histologically similar in structure. And third region is pyloric region. This region presents in front of pyloric sphincter. This pyloric region present in front of pyloric sphincter. We see how stomach lining is present. Stomach wall has 4 layers present. Histologically, stomach shows 4 layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa and serosa layer. Let us start with the mucosa layer. This mucosa or mucous membrane of the empty stomach has number of ridges or gastric folds, which are also known as rugae. The rugae vary in height and number with the degree of distension of organs. When stomach is fully distended with food material, these rugae disappears. The appearance and disappearance of rugae may be depends upon loose nature of submucosa. Mucosa contains single layer of columnar epithelial cells which are rest on the thin basement membrane. The epithelial surface is divided by groove into smaller irregular area called as gastric pit. This epithelial layer divided into irregular groove. This irregular groove is called as gastric pit, and this gastric pit having gastric glands. Gastric glands open into the gastric pit. The gastric pit epithelial cells, these are made up of columnar epithelial cells which are structurally and functionally different from the cells of gastric glands. Second layer is present in mucosa. It is called as lamina propria layer. This lamina propria layer mainly composed of connective tissue fibers, connective tissue cells as well as lymphatic cells, lymphatic nodules present, and this lamina propria shows gastric glands are present in this layer. Next layer is muscularis mucosae layer. This layer also present under the mucosa. This muscularis mucosa contains thin smooth muscle fibers. These muscle fibers are two types. Inner circular muscle fibers are present. Outer longitudinal muscle fibers are present. Glands of stomach. These glands of stomach having three types of glands are present. First gland, it is called as cardiac gland. These cardiac glands present near the cardiac region. Second gland is pyloric gland. Pyloric gland present in the pyloric region. And third one is gastric glands. These gastric glands present near the gastric region. It is also called as Fundic gland. Gastric gland, it is also called as Fundic glands. These glands, cardiac glands and pyloric glands, mainly secretes mucus. Cardiac and pyloric gland mainly secretes mucus, and gastric gland secretes gastric juice secreted by the gastric glands. The gastric glands are simple, sometimes branched tubular gland, each gland consisting of mouth. Here I am drawing simple gastric glands, and these gastric glands having different parts. Mouth, gastric pit is open. Next part is neck. Third part is body. This body part is main part of gland, and last part is base. This base is dilation portion of the gastric glands. These gastric glands composed of four types of cells distributed in different regions. These gastric glands mainly contains columnar epithelial cells present towards the neck region, and these mucus cells secretes mucus which protects gastric gland from acidic environment. These cells are mucus cells. Near the neck region, here stem cells are present. These stem cells are totipotent cells and produces other types of cells according to need. Next type is chip cells. It is also called as peptic cells. It is also called as zymogen cells, and these chip cells are present towards the base region. These chip cells are presented towards the base region. These chip cells are numerous in gastric gland. Chip cells, it is also called as zymogen cells, present numerous in gastric glands. These cells are large pyramidal shaped with basal nucleus. These cells are large pyramidal in shape with basally located nucleus. In cytoplasm, granules are present, and these granules is pepsinogen granules as well as rough endoplasmic reticulum present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, lot of rough endoplasmic reticulum present. Mitochondria Golgi complex also present in the cytoplasm. These cells mainly secretes hormone pepsinogen. These pepsin hormone is secreted, and these pepsin is useful for digestion of protein as well as weak lipids is secreted by the chip cells. These weak lipids is used for lipid digestion. Next type is parietal cells, and these parietal cells are present towards the neck region. These parietal cells are present towards the neck region. These parietal cells are also called as axanthic cells. These parietal cells are also called as axanthic cells. These cells are oval shaped. These cells are oval shaped with centrally placed nucleus. In the cytoplasm, granules are present as well as smooth endoplasmic reticulum present. Mitochondria also present in the cytoplasm of parietal cells. These parietal cells mainly present in the neck region of gastric glands. Parietal cells have intracellular invagination. These parietal cell shows intracellular invagination. It is called as intercellular canaliculi. These parietal cells are mainly secretes HCl. Parietal cells mainly secretes HCl as well as intrinsic factor is secreted. Intrinsic factor is secreted by the parietal cells, axanthic cells. This intrinsic factor is also useful for absorption of vitamin B12. Next cells is mucous neck cells. These mucous neck cells present towards the neck region, and these cells are differ from epithelial mucous cells. Here these epithelial mucous cells and neck mucous cells, these are differ from each other. These cells are mainly columnar-like structure. These mucous epithelial cells shows columnar-like structure, basally located nucleus, and in the cytoplasm mucigen granules are present. In the cytoplasm mucigen granules are present. These mucigen granules are responsible for secretion of mucus, and these secreted mucus protect the gastric gland from the HCl secretion, that is protect from acidic environment. Next cells, it is called as Argenta fina cells. It is also called as gastrointestinal endocrine cells. These Argenta fina cells or gastrointestinal cells usually located at the base of gland. These cells are small but large in number. These cells, again, three types of cells are present. First cell is ECL cell. These cells are usually located at the base of cell. Here these cells, it is called as ECL cell. It is also called as enterochromaffin cells. Enterochromaffin cells. These cells mainly secretes histamine hormone, and this histamine hormone is stimulate secretion of HCl. Second type of cells are G cells. These G cells are also located towards the basal region, and these G cells secretes gastrin hormone. This gastrin hormone also responsible to stimulate the secretion of HCl. Next cells is D cells. These D cells secretes D cells secretes somatostatin hormone. This somatostatin hormone inhibits secretion of HCl. Next is cardiac glands. These glands occurs in region between esophagus and stomach. Due to their location, it is called as cardiac glands. The cardiac glands are mucus secreting glands. Next layer is submucosa layer. This submucosa layer loosely arranged connective tissue. It contains larger blood vessels, nerves including Meissner's plexus, lymphatics, mast cells, and adipose tissues. Muscularis externa layer. This muscularis externa mainly contains smooth muscle fibers. Here three types of smooth muscle fibers are present: inner oblique muscle layer, middle circular muscle layer, and outer longitudinal muscle layer. These three layers makes muscularis externa layer, and last layer it is called as serosa. It is outermost layer, mainly composed of loose connective tissue and covered by mesothelium. Diagnostic feature of stomach mainly present. Roots are present. Mucosa contains single columnar epithelial cells. Gastric pits are also present. Gastric glands present. Gastric glands contains four types of cells, that is chip cells, parietal cells, neck mucus cells, and argenta fina cells are present, and muscularis externa layer, additional oblique muscle layer is present. Thank you.